Day 16 of the month of July challenge. How do slugs or snails affect the garden? What's the difference between a snail and a slug? You might think they're the same, but they're not. The biggest difference is that snails have shells, while slugs don't. Those shells are super handy for snails. They use them for protection, and some can even pull their heads inside to hide from predators. When it comes to movement, they're pretty different too. Snails take their time, moving slowly, while slugs are a bit speedier. And here's a fun fact. Snails leave a slimy trail behind them. But slugs don't. Both snails and slugs belong to the mollusk family, so they're related. They also share a love for munching on the same foods, like fruits and veggies. If you're into my nature adventures, stick around. Got thoughts? Drop a comment. Seriously, I appreciate every one of you. What's free, you ask? Subscribing, liking, giving a thumbs up, and leaving a quick comment. Have an awesome day, and remember to let your creativity shine.